wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best step stools. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The handy laundry stool weighs just around 2 pounds and folds flat, so it's easy to store between or under furniture when you want it out of the way. It's a good option if you just need a little boost now and then, but it's not as strong as solid models. It's very inexpensive and comes with a textured surface for traction. However, it doesn't lock into place well. At number 9, the Tundras stool is a small and unobtrusive option that's best suited for small kids in the bathroom. The 5-inch height provides an adequate boost for many, though it may be worth checking if it will be enough for your child before purchasing. It's equipped with an anti-slip material on the top and bottom and is super lightweight. It's curved to fit the base of a sink or toilet. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If you or someone in your household has issues with balance, the duro-med step-up is a good choice, thanks to its built-in safety rail. Even if you don't need the extra handhold, it's worth considering for its sturdy build. It boasts a chrome-plated steel frame and a fixed-height platform and handle. However, it does require some assembly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for step stools, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if your primary concern is extending your reach as far as possible, the delxo folding ladder might be the perfect choice. Standing on the top will raise you by just over 3 feet, though the collapsible design keeps it from taking up a lot of space when it's not in use. It features rubberized steps, but it's a bit narrow for its height, and it is heavier than many options. Moving up our list to number 6. Small foldable models are commonly made from plastic in order to keep the weight down, but the ollieroo steel stool offers both portability and a sturdy metal construction. Even though it weighs only 4 pounds, it's still able to hold a large adult easily. It comes with quick-release locking pins and a wide platform that's easy to stand on. However, the legs take a bit of force to extend. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you plan on leaving your stool out for frequent use, you may like the IKEA bekvam. Its wooden construction is aesthetically pleasing and much less utilitarian looking than many other options. It's available in 3 finishes with a handhold cutout that's easy to grab, but it lacks anti-slip feet. At number 4, the hbtower ladder boasts a weight capacity of 500 pounds, so it should be plenty tough enough for anyone holding tools or other heavy objects. It's equipped with a comfortable padded handle, heavily textured steps, and a durable steel frame. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the growing up green bamboo is an attractive and durable construction made from sustainable materials. Despite being designed for kids, its 200-pound weight capacity and the 7-inch boost it provides makes it a decent choice for many adults as well. It's light enough for children to move and can be washed with soap and water. It's got rubber pads on each leg. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for step stools, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the classic design of the coscoproducts 11308 has been used for decades, thanks to its balance of portability and height. It's only a few inches thick when folded, but once fully expanded, its metal frame offers plenty of strength and stability. It comes in several colors and is easy to transport and store. A 3-step version is also available. And taking the top spot on our list, the Rubbermaid PMP2 may not fold like some other models, but it's still convenient to move around the house thanks to a lightweight and cut-out handles. The rigid plastic construction is durable and can hold up to 300 pounds. Its wide base makes it very sturdy, and it's about 16 inches tall. It's textured to help prevent slips. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for step stools, or simply click beneath this video.